Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable automatic baseline improvement in the Pison app for your TIMEX NeuroFit Waveband. To do it, click on your profile icon in the top left corner, then go to the settings. Now you can enable baseline improvement. What it does is it updates your readiness baseline as you improve over time. It'll just calculate it and update it so that it doesn't stick to the old baseline. Of course, you can also manually update the baseline by clicking on update, and you can just do it like every period of time, like few days, few weeks, so that it updates to the new baseline. But you can also enable automatic baseline improvement. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.